Turn your body towards the hole.
Like this?
No. Just let it go. Go a little harder now. Push a little more. A little more.
Oh, it's going fast.
It's okay right there. That's a good speed.
Good morning.
Morning.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hey Jenny, mindanga mo kan nga kan hiso say luto ka. Ah, wow. Kapate ka ro. Mom. Say ko beso la male la ma po so mi ta nga kai ni chu kai ma ni chau kan nia mo hey. Heng lai bul ve la ram te pon zuara ma se le ngam ni lo train hi ring lut to ko mo hey. Til pur bung ro pur ni chu. Hey kan kheng cha.
Hey guys.
Oh.
Here we go.
I'm blue.
Hello.
Hey kan kaldona so lai so club car how chun nia mo.
Golf cart.
Cart. Golf cart. Yeah. You ready, Lazo? What's that, Lazo?
Key for the cart.
Hey, kan Khalh to mo. Card key ani hi. Member kan kapa chau ni wang khanin hei poisa choi tur ver ha kan antime ka hei. Hei kan talang ha ka ni hi. Hei chung ania thil golf khel na na mamu ang tur te le in tur te ta hanan zwa thin ta. Hey Zawan akhal dan min zir te do ni zo. The first one or no?
Yeah,
No. Okay.
You're gonna go over there.
Okay.
You're gonna sit over there. The hole is shaped here. You're gonna put it in like this.
Okay.
And then you're gonna turn it to on. Now the engine's ready. Now to let the brake out, push the
Which one's the brake?
This is the brake. So park, see it says park up there. You're gonna push that, and then this is the gas. But we'll let mom go first.
You ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, push it in hard, mom.
Kay man,
But in just the bottom pedal.
So kanute.
On the gas a little bit.
Yeah. Oh.
Now, unlike a car, the golf cart will not go idle.
It's like
stops.
the thing I cut the grass.
I told him, I said, watch out for poop.
Yeah.
Hey kan lazo man pur niya mo lazo ta. Kay ju ina trang kan na isan ta hang king do na. That's nice one. Yeah. Baby, is that yours?
No, these are John's.
Okay.
These are mine here.
Oh, you have a lot. Why one time you can't use a bunch or what? Like a lot?
You can. You only need a certain number of them, though. This one does a different thing.
Hey, kanute karve. Aman kan zot kwal ve tu man chuan man pon shelaw ni jo bilan pe ve to pa chu wang soi tur ko ka shelaw. Maybe they'll write somewhere later. I'll check it out. I just want for the video.
I think it's for 9 holes. I think it's 12 to play. And
Sunscreen on my face, baby. Chuanin in lau tuna hemi kan chuan na te kapalik lazawa khel na tur 9 holes antia akwa mo voi kwa thun han ti dona chu dollar ava in dollars somnga pathum kanuna pe a chunju I kapa birthday le Father's Day special atia chong kai ni lunch le kan bazar grocery vel kan pedon ni mo ven chu kai in sem zai vel ni chu. Oh my god, so sexy.
guys got the tea time before us, so
Okay.
we'll wait on you.
Well,
If you guys want.
Go ahead.
come on, just go ahead, go, and we'll go follow you.
Okay, that sounds fine.
Thank you.
Okay, to sunscreen na ngayon. I'm already dark, so I don't need sunscreen. Look siya, ngo nga din.
You think I'm a bad golfer?
Oh, well, I'm just saying we're gonna be a little slower. These things are dirty.
Do you need glove to play or what?
Yeah. You don't have to, but it helps with your grip.
An ni chu sunscreen an sunscreen an noi na sat chan chu he an mani hi an vun hi sensitive an ngaw wang hem var wang hem mo chu wang ne ke chu kai noi ngai lo ka mai a che ka noi chin. That looks so beautiful. Okay.
All right, and then to.
Hey, warm up vel ni mo. Ti kan he kan a hole number 1 hole 1 in di dai lai mo mu the ka pa di no lai ka nom chon kan ka thang pak pak ma cho a hole 2 ang kal le na kan ka pak le se lo ta chon anek sa ke ka khal ni to nga ta ka pa.
They both hit more than one ball,
So ta so na kwam ta ti khan am vodon ni mo vorose. Where is the ball?
Good shot. What?
No.
Where is the ball? Ito na ka pa, oh.
Now just watch the red ball. Daddy uses the same one.
May ball. Oh. Ila zawa na ball, a ball ka, a golf ball ka kanso ni. Oh, baby, you hung ko. Where is that? Huh, you found it? I thought true, right? Daddy ball. Where is daddy ball?
We're gonna play this.
You got it ready? So ta hem a khel na nei tu te mu lawa chau ka khal do na chan chu khal thiam lo ti te min sher khan min hau kan lau mo. Oh no, that's worse.
Right now, it's working. And he's gonna go over there. See the yellow flag? Lee? He's gonna hit there. So if you watch that little green, that's where his ball's flying. There it goes.
Where is the ball? Oh my god, that's so far. I couldn't even see it.
Go a little harder now. Push a little more. A little more.
Oh, it's going fast.
It's okay right there. That's a good speed right there. A little more. There you go.
Stop here.
Yeah, but you gotta go up right a little bit more. Alright, right here. So let go. Drop. Stop.
What do I do?
You
Stop.
push in the brake. That one.
just release?
No, you push that one in. Push it in. You gotta start at the top. You gotta push on the top. Push right here and push.
Oh, ano ang kop? May kapag khat na niya mo. Tractor nin ang trip ni Carnival dang lam na kati kanuin masi at ang lam na tu mi agiar hi alus luto ka.
Alright, push on the bottom of the brake. Push it all the way. Now the gas.
Where
A
you
little
want to
bit.
stop?
We're gonna go all the way up there on the left-hand side of the flag.
We have to go through this.
You gotta follow the cart path. So start going and follow the path. You gotta push it a little bit. Now push a little bit more. Alright, now you gotta stay on the gravel.
Then
Now, once you get past the gravel, now you go this way. Turn left. Yep. And now turn it a little bit more. A little more left. Left. There you go. You gotta stay away from the soft grass. And you're gonna wrap around. And we're gonna park right up here.
where? Tell me when to stop.
I'll tell you when. Okay, good, stop. So, brake. Yeah, there
Oh
you
my
go.
God, why is like a train light to mom? Te uma train light to mom lo light te mo. Ano ang vera ukot me. You wanna find the ball?
So why is
Al tiha na ball so mo ta an fuak kha zon ze la nga ya. Chang cho nam lawa chang cho nam mule thawa. Ya mu lang khu chu wang in a var ai chon khu colorful da kha tha tha. Are you practicing?
Yeah.
Kanu po so rong khal phai. Kanu le ka pa.
What?
Have they putted?
Those guys down there? I think so.
One hole.
One. No, this is hole
Oh, okay.
3.
We hate cheese. No, I want to. Look at that, it's so beautiful.
Clover. The rabbits love it. Go get in your cart. You're driving?
Right there.
Chero top so so ba.
I used a 6.
6 wood.
I saw it, but I
Yeah.
thought it was by that grass. Not sure.
Huh? Oh, we're gonna make it.
Yay! Let's go inside. Good job, good job. Okay.
Woo, look at
No,
that.
that's short.
You got fat.
Yeah.
Where is the ball?
Yeah, but I see it this time.
Tuna Khalh sa khana tia so ta so tui chunga a phei de ni mo so lai so aron de vet de so lai mi so. Tuna daddy, let's see what he's doing. Kapakan en velang. Oh, it's going water. Hey, anzung hi kan en ve reng. Inge dangan lau hun hi mo. Then omem ti de pumping service. Oy maklo to. Allah. We hing to swak they don't manglaw men.
You don't have to run, Mom.
No, that guy is in front of it.
Mom.
You don't have to run, Mom. We're gonna
I
wait.
just don't want to make you guys wait.
No, we're waiting on that guy up there.
I drank way too much coffee.
Tunahan lang son.
gotta
Hato
get
kati
crack
kalau
on that
video
one,
man
Tory.
nawa. Oh.
No, Papa's going now.
Hey, let's go ball. So mem heta ay nga son lut turn tama so lut law ni so. Oh my God! Almost so close, so close. Let's see, Daddy. Kapay thiam law guys. At tuy vero guys. Okay, go, Daddy. Putar, go. 1, 2, 3. Tory favorite len botling pala. Hey, kampa golf. How niya?
That's my Callaway. Be careful with that one.
No, I don't want to hit. I don't want to hit Khalh.
Baby,
I got a bunch in my bag here.
baby, are we also gonna do it
Yeah,
or
if you do
Are we gonna do
colored
what?
ones, I can see them.
the hole?
That's why I like the
Mom and me.
Green to put the ball in the hole. It's flat bottom. So when you putt with it, you want to keep the bottom flat, and you want to line up this line with the hole. And sometimes the ground will break, so you need to adjust where your line is pushing it. That way, when you push it, it'll.
So what is the difference of this one and that one?
This one is called a driver.
Driver, that one is to hit harder, right?
Yeah, this one
Except for that
will
tin
hit
there.
as far down as I
Show
can.
me
get it.
that one. Hey, me akin lai hi tu na lataw daw di na ang kha ni ta chuan in hemi tu na mem hu cha hemi te hi
This is
chu
the smallest
kha imuang te akal na kina avai khat min ti tir ve do na mo 1 hole 6 hole ka na make 3 hole you guys can do 2 more
My
hole.
mom's keeping score for us.
Hey, score kan lau ziak du ni cho kan ziak do ma se kan nu na nei ve thaw an ka ra son kan score lau ziak ani mo. Mom, who is winner so far? My husband or your
Babe, you can
kapabol chu range niya Tory chu himi neon color mo. Tory ball niya. Get ready. Go. Do it. Do it. Putar.
Oh God.
Where is the ball? You're not doing?
I didn't even see
On it.
Now to the side right
This
here.
side of it. Right here.
All right, you're gonna want to aim quickly. Yep. You want to put your line. I'll just show you how to hold.
Stand like
How to
this.
hold.
Stand like
I'll
this.
show you. I'll show you.
Stand like
Hold
this.
like this. Put this hand right here and this hand here. And you want it to be flat. And you want to keep it off of the ground.
And keep your feet together.
Right there.
Feet, nope.
Put
Towards
this
the
foot up.
hole.
Yep.
Turn your body towards the hole.
Like this?
No.
Yep. Just let it go. Yep. Put a little bit. Just tap it. Oh, that's close.
That's close. You can hit a little hard, but
Good
that's
job.
good.
It's okay. I was
Hey,
trying to hit
that
like
wasn't bad
you.
at all. And we got two.
Yeah.
And we got a 3. So we got our first birdie in there.
Where do I stop?
Follow mom.
Are you?
Oh man.
Where? I can't see. Oi, kanuin Father's Day ni siya tia whole pakwa aya khanin sompre da lau ti tira oi reilutuk heavy khat avai kan kalkwa whole kokwa ti nan ta masif foi sompre alo manalau pesya he kan divela kan ne tol tuk video pe to lawa ilo enjoy ngi ka ringa chanin he mi he khal ka zir pha ni chu kar ning khan danglam na om baklo wang han zir ve pa chanin an khelve chu a seilu tuk ka lo wangin ka chang cham ka lo tilanga ilo mi thari ne ni chwani min lo subscribe sak vela like ti kha min lo pe sakula like. Are you tired?
No. Are you?
Car chu kan return to the khan a return hunan te he please return the card your cards bye bye next video kay mule cha nya